Hi, my name is Hannah. I'm going to be in Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class, and this is my panda I made. It's actually the first thing I've made. I made a red panda. It kind of looks like a fox, but it's a red panda. And I made a shark. I'm really proud of it. And they're all basic shapes, like a circle, triangles. These are also triangles. And then these are the eyes, which are cylinders, except I made them smaller and longer.
Hi, my name is Mackenzie, and I will be in Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class. And today I'm going to be showing you this little figure I made. What I did was basic shapes to get the star for the shirt. And then I went up and I used the cylinder for the arms, the feet, and the head. And then I used the box for the body.
Debbie, and I was in 4th hour Mr. Harmon's, and I made this Tinkercad thing. It looks just like this.
So I just made this Tinkercad design on Tinkercad for HLModTech, and it was a cool experience to see what you can do with all the different shapes and designs. And this is my rocket ship with a person holding a flag.
I'm Jonathan, and I made this cool code in 5th hour ModTech.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, a donut!
Y'all gamers hungry?
Dude, that's the coolest thing I've ever seen. You also give him money.
You're still recording.
He's a money maker.
Made basically a D-pad and logo, so I can basically like etch-a-sketch, and I can do this as clicking on these commands. And I did that by putting Seth and then FG where I wanted to. I made the buttons by adjusting sizes.
Hi, I am Austin, and I just made a new command named WOW, and check out what I just made.
Bonjour.